Please take note of your group letter assignment printed on the lower right-hand portion of your boarding pass. Meanwhile, passengers on business class as well as Million Miler, Premier League and Leader tours of the Mabuhay Monastery boarding aircraft at their own convenience. Just a reminder about boarding, please have your boarding passes and passport ready for the presentation of the gate and for the inspection of our cabin crew on boarding the aircraft. Once again, we are at boarding. Kindly remain seated within the holding area of gate number 11 and wait for your flight boarding call. On behalf of Philippine Airlines, we thank you for flying with us and we wish you a pleasant flight to Bangkok.